morning, dears. We have completed up to question number 7. Exercise 4C. Question number 8. Here it says 1 light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. You know the speed of light is 3, then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros meter per second. Calculate the distance it will travel in 1 day and express it in standard form. Speed of light is meter per second. So 1 day is equal to how many seconds? 1 day, 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. This would be the second in 1 day. So what does it gives you when you multiply 6 6 are 36, 24 into 36, 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12 and 2, 14, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7. So this gives you 4, 6, 8, 00 seconds. So the distance covered in 1 year, 1 light year is distance travel in 1 day. 1 day is equal to 3 then 8 zeros into 86400 meters. Now we'll just multiply. 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18 and 1 19, 3 8s are 24 and 1 25. Then 10 zeros. Or when we write in the standard form, 2.5 92 into 10 to the power 13 meter would be the answer, because I am placing the decimal after 13 digit. Please write it. Now look at number 9. Here it says the mass of Earth is 5.976 into 10 to the power 24 and mass of Uranus is 8.68 into 10 to the power 25. Whose mass is greater? Now 8 and 5. So what would be greater? Uranus will be greater. Mass of Earth 5.976 into 10 to the power 24. Mass of Uranus 8.68 into 10 to the power 25. 8 is greater than 5. So mass of Uranus will be greater than mass of Earth. That is understood or not? This is 8 and this is 5. So what will be greater? 8 would be greater, because here also you can say this is 24 and this is 25. So here also it is not less. Is it? And 10 by to the power 25 is greater than 10 to the power 24. So the mass of Uranus would be greater than mass of Earth. Now how much greater? How to solve it? 8.68 into 10 to the power 25 minus 5.976 into 10 to the power 24. Now what is common between this, dear? I can take 10 to the power 24 common. So what I am left with here? 8.68 into 10. And here I am left with 5.976. Am I? Or when I multiply, it will be 10 to the power 24 or 80.68. 0 I have converted because I have written, because I have to subtract it. So I have to make it like this 10 is multiplied. Decimal is after 2 digit only. This is 68 only. But here I have 3 digit. I have told you that we have to convert it into like term. Then only we can subtract. Our subtraction will correct. So 10 to the power 24 into 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 7, 0. 16 minus 9, 7. Here I am left with 9 minus 5, 4. 9, 10, 7, 74. Oh, it is 86. Sorry. Just wait. The calculation is wrong here. 10 to the power 24 into 10, then it will be 86.8 minus 5.976. I have 3 digits, so I can give 2 zeros here. Now it is okay. I have written wrong. 10 to the power 24, 10 minus 4, 6, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, 17 minus 9, 8, 5 minus 5, 0, 80.824, or we can write it 80.824 into 10 to the power 24. The answer would be mass of Uranus is greater than Earth by this. Please write. First of all, we have compared, then I have subtracted. So mass of Uranus is greater than Earth by this. Question number 10, I am not going to do. Is a homework. It's a very simple thing. You have to write the diameters in standard form. You can do. Then you have to see how much sun's diameter is larger than Earth. So before converting into standard form, you subtract sun's diameter minus Earth's diameter. Then the difference you convert into standard form. I think there is no problem. All the three things, first both the diameters and the difference between them, everything has to be converted into standard form. We have finished with that, exponents and powers. If there is a doubt, you can ask me and you will have a test related to this chapter. So dear, keep practicing. Any doubt, you can clarify. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.